Bracky, do you know anything about magnetics? No. Are you sure? No. I said no, and it means no. Okay. Charlie, how about you? I will stay up in these trees forever. Okay, let's start in the video. Oh, some branches. Bracky, did you? No. Okay. And our only skull for our memories of our fossil fulfillment. Yeah, you failed, but you at least built us a habitat. Okay, so now let's go do it. And let me add this. Ow, yeah, it's done. It's done. Now let's add 1. Oh, 2. Oh. Oh. Let's add 3 and no, 4. Let's take some him out and add it. Now let's add this. Here. Oh, get out. Wait, I'm a little too near. Yay, now you can see. Yay. And let's put it like this. Finished. Where is it? Yeah, here. And he righted it. Yes, that's true. I write everything that's from the field. Oh, it dropped. Why everything is not working for me today? I will just do one more. Yay! And it will be a surprise. It's experiment kit 6 in 1. Okay. Now let's learn about the countries. Okay. What is this country? Guess. If you guess Turkey, it's correct. What is this country? Guess. What is this country? Guess. If you guess Trampalan, it's correct. What is this country? What is this country? Guess. If you guess Romania, and it's correct. And then we will read a book. What happens if the rainforest disappears? By Mary Custer. And if you're wondering, my documentary series is not my voice in the Arctic tundra. Yeah, it's my voice. Just in a little deeper tone. Okay. 9 now. Yeah. 11 we have done. Yeah. We are done. 13. Now let's move on to 14. Deep. In the most remote parts of the world, rainforests live groups of people who know these environments inside out. They are tribes of hunger. They who live, you can read it, by the self. Done. Do. And now you're done. Okay. Life in the rainforest. The Yaman are an intact tribe who live in the Amazon, Venezuela, and Brazil. They are similarly large wooden huts and hunt for food. Their rivers and rainforests. They are poor by Westman. You can read it by yourself. And this is training for the next books. Then you will have to read them completely by yourself. I'm just training you with these books. The Yaman have huge knowledge about the rainforest in which they live. Use about 500 plants of food, medical, and house building. Okay, let's put it back. 1, 2, 3. Show them. Okay, I have these two same-sided magnets. Why it's not connecting? Oh, it does connect. It does a backflip like this, and then it connects. And this is a very fun fact. You can do it by getting a little less expensive and smaller kit. Okay, bye. You sang the song? Yes. So it will be zoom out. Okay, bye. And so now, zoom!